Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to my face. We are going to do today just one side of my face. Well, this sort of helps pinpoint when I lost the other earring. Yeah, can you believe I filmed this whole thing and didn't even know that my earring was gone? And in fact, it was 3 more days until I noticed that I lost one of my Coach earrings. And I'm so upset about it. And we're going to do like wake up makeup. All right. So this is like, I'm just going to go out for a quick jaunt or just around the house. And I just want to look like not this. You know, I remember when I worked at the hospital, which has been like 20 some years ago, right? And this student girl comes up to me and like I didn't have on any eyeshadow or anything like that. I think I had a chapstick on. I think I might have swiped up some mascara. But this girl comes up to me. She's a student, right? And she says, "I love your eyeshadow." And I'm like,
I will kill you before I leave.
because I don't have on any eyeshadow. It is just the discoloration of my lids. She thought I was wearing eyeshadow.
That poor unfortunate soul. She's dead. I'm just kidding. But I was like,
I don't have on eyeshadow.
I'm not going to put on sunscreen because I'm actually not going out. In fact, in a little while, I'm going to take a shower to get ready for real. So I'm not even going to do my hair or anything. Okay, we're just going to say hi and bye here on my face. Anyway, I do want to point out, since this is all on a budget stuff, the sunscreens that I really like to use are this one here by Free, and that has like nothing, no tint or anything, unlike this one, which I know a long time ago, don't know which one of you told me, but one of you told me about this, and I recommend this to everybody. This is inexpensive sunscreen face tint, and both of these might be Korean brands, not really sure, but let me just show you this really quick. This is beautiful. Like I said, I'm not going to put it on because I'm not going anywhere. So if I was going to be outside for a little bit or whatever, I would put on this, most likely. Unless I was actually going to do a full face of makeup, and then I still might just use this. I like this as a foundation. But, both of these are really good. Not going to do sunscreen today, though, except for my mouth. But everything I have here for you is something that you can pick up easily at the drugstore. Like I said, we'll just do one side of my face so that you can see. Even though I'm doing hardly anything at all, let's just see how much difference that makes. So what I'm going to do first is concealer. And, recently I found this one here. It's perfect. It says it right there. Perfect. From AOA, really like this. Also, e.l.f.'s Soft Glam. All right, these are the cheapest that I think that I have that you can do. But I guess you could also do, I love the NYX Bare Pro, but we're doing like on a budget. And some drugstore stuff is just really not on a budget anymore, is it?
Oh. Everything is so expensive.
So I just take just a tiny bit of this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come across my whole eye. The under, over, the whole bit, okay? Because as you can see, there's quite a bit of discoloration. Not just here, but here as well. So let's just put that there and come down. And this right here, just this, is going to make me look so much more awake and alive. And I do think that that concealer was $1. Maybe $8.88 at the most. Because when I did that Shop Miss A video, I think the most expensive product actually was a brow pencil for $4. But I can get under that even with of the product I have here today. We're talking like super quick, out the door. And if it wasn't for me running my mouth, it would be very, very fast. Okay, so that right there, that just did wonders, didn't it? Heck yeah, it did. Then I might just take just a tiny bit more, okay, to cover up some spots I have on my face. I really shouldn't use the thing here that I'm looking at. my monitor. I really shouldn't use the monitor as a mirror because I mess up a lot that way. But I've got a few places, you know, around my nose where there's some capillaries. On my chin here it gets a little red. And I'm just patting this stuff in to make me look a little better. Then I want to set this real light, okay, so I'm going to use a stippling kind of a brush. And I've got this powder here from Essence. It's called Brighten Up. I'm just swirling this brush in there. Knock that off and come right in over the top of my eyelid and under my eye around where I just put all that concealer. If I did nothing else, I already look more awake, don't I? But I look kind of funny, I think, with my eyebrows, how I've lost in the front and in the back. So now I'm just going to take a very quick, not going to try to draw hairs or anything. I just want to frame my eye a little bit more with a brow pencil. And this one here I've always loved from e.l.f. is $3 now, I think. It was $2, but I think it's actually $3 now. Miss A actually has one that's $3. It's a nano one though. I didn't care for it as much as I did the $4 one. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of draw in some brow here.
A lot of you do this where, Peter.
Oh, grow up.
A lot of you will do this. Instead of drawing hairs, you're just like filling in with the brow product. That's all I'm doing. Just very quickly bringing my pencil in just a little bit. So now I'm going to just either blush. I usually don't do both if I'm just going for this wake up makeup. Okay, but I'm going to take a cream or powder. I could do powder, but I'm going to take this in a very inexpensive contour style stick here and just kind of give my face a little bit of color. Like I said, you could use blush or, you know, I'm just doing this. So just pat that in a little. Just kind of warm up my face so it doesn't look, you know, it's got a little bit of dimension to it anyway. And then I'm probably going to bring that right up here and on my eye too, just to, now I'm adding color, but it's going to be where I want the color. Just a little. And I mean, I'm serious. You could probably do this whole thing in like 5 minutes. Another product that you could get is, I hope they still have this, but like this 3-in-1 that you get from Ulta. Like on the bottom, there's a bronzer. And then in the middle is a highlight. And these are cream for my cream girls, right? And then you can just take like a little brush, like say this one here, this little, I think this is a travel 101. No, this is a 109. And, you know, I mean, very easily just pat that down. Oh, I did not realize, I haven't used this in a while. That's pretty. Excuse me.
You're not excused.
Let's do the blush instead. Or, you know, just pat a little bit right there. Just enough to give me a little flush. I'm not trying to do full-on makeup here. And, you know, the middle one, the highlight there, I could even, you know, maybe pat a little bit right there. Just to give it some glisten, right? Make it look like I got a little bit of life to my skin. Then I'm going to use a little bit of mascara, and I mean a little. I'm just one of these people who, if you give me a lot of mascara on, then I think I need to do the whole shebang, right? And so I'm just going to take a little bit. This is tubing, and I like tubing, especially with sunscreen, okay? Because when you reapply later, it doesn't come smear all over your face. And so I'm just going to do a couple of swipes, just enough to make my eyelashes and my eyes look just a little bit bigger, but not enough that people are going to go, wow, she's wearing makeup. So just a couple swipes. I think that looks better. You know, just take whatever eyeliner you have. This one happens to be from e.l.f., you know, but I mean, if you've already purchased it and you probably already have one just laying around, you don't need to purchase, you know, you don't even need to purchase what I've got in front of me. Just use what you already have. That's even cheaper than buying something. I'm just showing you products that don't cost very much, you know, because you're on a budget, right? So I'll use e.l.f. for this. I'm just going to put a tiny bit in my tight line. And that is an eyeliner without actually everyone knowing you have an eyeliner on. It just makes your eyes look a little bit better. So the only thing left then is my lips. And so I like this by e.l.f. And you can get it in a nude color. So this has a sunscreen in it. I think it's called Sun Boss or something like that. And then I will just take and put that on half of my mouth. Okay, so I know it's distracting to try and look at both sides at once, okay? It looks really weird and funny. But, you know, I just wanted you to see, wouldn't we agree? I just got this rhyming thing going on today. Wouldn't we agree that this side of my face, with very minimal effort, very minimal product, very inexpensive minimal products, looks like I am more awake than this side. This side looks like I'm tired. I actually am. I want to go to bed. I'm tired. Okay, so this looks tired and this looks like I'm awake and I'm raring to go and I've got hardly anything at all on. So you can see why I would say this is no makeup. Let me pull my palette up here and cover up half my face. So here we go. I mean, I can't say I don't look like I'm wearing any makeup, but it's a very minimal look, right? As opposed to this side, I think I look like I need a long nap, right? Is there something you do that I haven't done that wouldn't take long, wouldn't take much money, and would make this even better? Let me know below, because I will scarf right up those tips. I love them tips. Don't you think I look more awake, better on this side than this side? And I promise you it can be done in just a few minutes. Less than 10 for sure. And you're out the door, okay? Unless you got to let your sunscreen set. But you can like put your sunscreen on and go get coffee and then come back and finish. And you'll look even better if you're using this, because this is actually kind of like a foundation. And I think it looks really good. But anyway, leave me your thoughts below. And I want to let you know that you are the best part of the Fritzy family. I love you so much. And not only that, but you're a blessing to me, okay? So, and if you're sitting there scratching your head and thinking, how can that be a blessing? No, seriously, if you don't feel like you're being blessed, just go out and be a blessing to somebody else and watch how that turns around for you. And if the Lord is willing, I will see you again next time. All right? Yeah. Love you. See ya. Bye. And I'm out.